In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the data source in Looker Studio reports. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and head to the report you want to work on. If you land in view mode, switch into editing by clicking edit at the top. If you don't see the option, you may not have edit permissions on the report, so make sure you have access before continuing. To clearly see the effect of changing a data source, we'll work with a simple visualization. Click Add a chart in the toolbar, then choose Table. A table is great here because it immediately shows which dimensions and metrics are coming through, making it easy to confirm that the switch worked as expected. Next, click and drag on the canvas to draw the table where you want it. Once the table is placed, make sure it's selected. You should see the Properties panel appear on the right side of the screen. If you don't, click the table once to highlight it. At the top of that panel, click the Setup tab. This is where the chart's data and field configuration live. In the Setup section, look for the Data Source dropdown. This control defines which connection powers a selected chart. Click the dropdown to see your available data sources. Choose the one you want to use instead. As soon as you select a different source, the table will refresh using that new connection. Take a moment to verify the fields. If the new data source uses different field names or data types, you might see a warning or empty columns until you pick valid fields. You can adjust the dimension and metric selections right here in the Setup panel so they align with what's available in the new source. If everything matches, you should immediately see rows populate with the correct values. A few quick tips as you work. This change applies to the chart you've selected, not the entire report. That's helpful when testing or migrating sections gradually. If the panel on the right isn't visible, reselect the chart or widen your browser window so the Setup tab appears. And if you rely on filters or date ranges, confirm that those still make sense with the new data source to avoid unintentionally excluding data. That's it. You opened your report, entered edit mode, added a table, placed it on the page, opened the Setup panel, and selected a new data source. With these steps, you can confidently point your visuals to the right connection and ensure your report reflects the data you intended.